So today we're gonna learn how to do UTM. So right now I have a Windows Vista virtual machine. So first of all you need to download an ISO from archive.org. So I have already downloaded an ISO from that website. So just search Windows Vista ISO SP2 and then press 64 x86 64. And then after you do that you'll have to the x86-64 mechanism is the way you actually use Windows Vista. So x86-64 is your CPU architecture. It only works on Intel CPUs on Mac. So let's go. So let's type in our name. And then let's type a super secure password. And then again. And then do a hint. We will skip that and let's just say world name for water or station. And for watercolor station. Sahir PC. It's a seven Vista. So if you want to create VM, download an application called UTM. And then the next step after downloading the ISO from archives is to wait till it says done. And then you download an app called UTM and then open it. And you have to press create new virtual machine. And then select, if you want to do any OS before Windows 8, you select you uncheck Windows install Windows 10 or higher. So if you use Windows 8 or above VM, then you have to uncheck that. Then you select your file that you downloaded and then set all the system requirements like the RAM and the storage, and then press next and press open settings. But if you do not want anything, you don't want to change the logo, do not, and just press OK. Just press continue and then press play and start doing the setup. Yeah, you choose a background, press next. Then next you choose use recommended, install important updates, or ask me later. So I'll just say use recommended. Press next and then home, work, or public location. Let's select home and thank you. Press start. Yeah. Now that's it. Yes, that was our setup. Yes. Getting it done just fun. Oh, welcome. Welcome into Vista Ultimate. It's preparing your desktop. Okay, I bet it's almost done. Vista Ultimate, you're ready. Oh, Windows Vista Ultimate, Intel Core processor Broadwell, 2 GB RAM, standard VGA graphics adapter. Computer name Sahar Vista PC. It is very bad running, like worse than my Windows 7 VM, which is the same sort of process. Windows 8 is the smoothest. I prefer you install Windows 8, the best. Windows 10 is the Wi-Fi the worst. In Vista, it's performing okay, but yeah, we installed Vista Home Basic. This is a version of Vista that doesn't have Arrow because I don't think I need Arrow. And let's see what all is installed. IE is installed. Okay, about say bing.com like this. Upgrade. Internet Explorer cannot display your web page. Look at that. Yes, so we are in Windows Vista. So then this is UTM, and this only works on Mac. So then you do, yeah, it's booted onto a virtual hard disk. So you can press change. You have to download the Spice servers, ask AI mode or Gemini how to do that, whatever. And then let's say UTM that. And then select this. And then over here. Then boot this up. We'll start. And then press allow. Next. I agree. And wait for it to install. Until then, you can wait. This looks like it'll take a few seconds, but after it installs user, then it'll take some time. Execute MEXE something. It takes a lot of time actually. So let's just wait till that happens. Microsoft Windows. Spice.webdev stopped working. Yeah, just wait. Just wait till it was installed. So if you want, run.dll error. Yeah, now it's actually insanely laggy. Microsoft Windows. New emulators and tools have stopped working. So I think we have to give up on UTM guest. If you don't actually want it, you can let it go. And then install the drivers you want. Or you can just leave it sitting there forever. Yeah. Oh, it's uninstalled. Finish. Oh, it finished. Nice. So then you press shared and then choose downloads. Press open Then just go to files. Yeah, so then go into the file explorer. Yeah, explorer file. Yeah, so we have to go into the Z drive. Yeah. Yeah. .e. Need application. Run. Yeah, let's say. You can use Windows Vista like how you want, but I think it's a fine OS, but it's not that usable today. So you can do that with any OS you want. Well, Windows 8 supports Chrome still, so you can go to your favorite websites. Windows 8.1 is like what your best choice right now. Wait for it to boot up. It's just amazing. Please do not blue screen. I had to quit before while updates were going on. I accidentally clicked update and restart. So the update servers, I don't want it to boot up Windows 10. Like, GWX of 2015. Yeah, I think I have to reinstall. Oh my god. Stop it. Oh, it did it. Nice, that was fast. Install the update. Now let's keep waiting. Oh my god. Windows 8. Stop it. I want to see your super bad start menu so I can open Chrome. 8.1. Yes. Fine. Now boot up Windows. Boot Windows. I really tortured this OS. Oh. Boot up. Oh yes. It did. It just boot. Yes. Did it. A super secure password. Welcome. Really? Should boot up now. I told you, you're gonna run fine. Yes. Windows 8. The OS of niceness, but Internet Explorer. Yeah, I think this OS should be fine. I don't know why people hate this so much. It's so easy to have. I know why people hate it. Even I hate it a little bit, but it's a fine thing. Yeah, now I see that they're actually getting to somewhere. Yeah, Chrome for Windows 8 looks like this. Let's type in URL. Let's say git. Yeah, I'm gonna introduce something on GitHub. New. Well, yes. Welcome. Actually, I'll tell you next time. It works fine, right? Yeah, just everything. What just happened? Windows 10 crash? Yeah, bye. You first let's shut down this smooth OS. Still very slow, but it's good for Windows 8.1.